There we go. Well, I took the long way here, but this is this is the Melissa Stadium. Looks like there's something going on here. I missed my turn, so I had to take 121 all the way over here, but I don't know why I turned left, but it took me right here. I'm gonna go home the right way. It's a really nice stadium. Coach Kenny Deal. They got a big old jumbotron there too. So I'm gonna come up here and shoot soccer, I think. Regional. I gotta find gas somewhere. I got a half a tank, but it goes quick. Nothing going on there, but there's cars. Ooh, that's a nice field. Okay, I'm gonna go back out go the opposite way, so I don't have to go all the way down one. I think it's 545 I need to get on. Well, there's school buses here, but I don't see anybody out on the field. I can take a peek in there. You can see it's a really nice stadium. Yeah, I'm coming up here. I think there'll be better schools to do. Garbage cans rolling around. Okay, I wonder if something going on in the gym. I don't know what will be going on in the gym. No volleyball, no basketball. Okay, I'm gonna push home.